Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 5 microcontroller interfacing and applications. In these previous videos, we can study the application of 8051 microcontroller keyboard interfacing. Now, today we are going to discuss about the topic display interfacing. In display interfacing, like a LED interfacing, there is a source current and sink current are mainly concentrated the two current level. First one is a source current, the maximum current that the 8051 port pin can supply to drive an externally connected device, and then sink current is a maximum current that the 8051 port pin can absorb the through a device. So both current are used to interfacing the display of 8051 controller. The LCD interfacing is a main important role on this source current and sink current in the controller sections. Now we see the multiplexer 7 segment display interfacing. It used as a numerical indicators in 0 to 9 can be indicated by lighting the approximate segment labeled to A to 00G and dot is labeled as a H. The display the digit of 0 to 9 for instant of to display 0 light up from A, B, C, D, E and F. To light up the 5 we need a segment of A, F, G, C and D. Now we see the display types. The 7 segment display are the two main categories. Number 1 is common anode type, number 2 common cathode type. In common anode type, when anode is connected to positive supply, a low voltage is applied to a cathode to return it. These are the structure of common anode type. The common anode type 7 segment LED is there in the diode connection of the data pointer in the register and the segment of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So these are the anode type configurations of LCD interfacing. Now we see the static display. We see the circuit diagram of interfacing the anode 7 segment LED display using the 7447 IC to interfacing the 8051 and 80 and LED display. Now we see the multiplexed display. In multiplexed display is used to number of LCD or LED displays are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 LED displays are used to connect the 7447 is a interfacing, that is a buffering circuit to the output port and the input port of the 8051 microcontroller. Now the LCD interfacing with 8051. So this interfacing is a 16x2 LCD module to Atmega 89C51, which is a 8051 microcontroller family. We use LCD display for the message for more interactive way to operate the system or displaying the error messages. In the interfacing LCD to microcontroller is very easy if you understanding the working of LCD. Now we see the crystal oscillator circuit. The crystal oscillator is connected to XTL1 and XTL2, that is generating the clock frequency in the microcontroller, which will provide the system clock to the microcontroller. The data pins and remains pins are connected to the microcontroller are shown. The potentiometer is used to adjust the context of the LED. You can connect the data pins to any port. If you are connecting to port 0, then you have to use pull-up registers. The enable read and write and restart the pin or should be connected to the 10th and 11th and 16th in the port that is P3.3, P3.4 and P3.5. This we see the structure of the circuit diagram of interfacing LED to 8089C51 microcontroller family. Now in this family, the LCD is a 16x2 liquid crystal display which will display the 32 characters at a time in 2 rows, that is a 16 character in 1 row. Each character in the display of size 5x7 pixel matrix. Although this matrix differ from different 16x2 LCD module, If you take JHD162A, this matrix goes to 5x8 LCD display. This matrix will not be same for all 16x2 LCD module. There are 16 pins in the LCD module. The pin configuration as given, and the steps of flow follow these simple steps for displaying a character or data. E is equal to 1, that is enable pin should be high, and RS, that is a register select, should be high, and read and write is equal to 0, that is a low. To send a command to the LCD, just follow these steps. That is a enable 1, enable pin should be high, register select signal 0 is a low, read and write is equal to read and write pin should be high. So these are the steps to program the LCD interfacing. Now programming LCD to 8051. Step 1, initialize the LCD, and step 2, sending command to the LCD, and step 3, writing the data to the LCD. Initializing the LCD. To initialize the LCD to the 8051, follow the instruction and command are to be embedded in the function. That is a 0x38 used for the 8-bit data initialization. 0 into FH for the making LCD on and initializing the cursor. 0x6H for the incrementing the cursor, which will help to display another character in the LCD. 0x1H for clearing the LCD data. And finally, sending data to the LCD is enable 1, reset is a 1, placing the data on the data registers. To read and write equal to 0, that is a read and write pin should be low for writing the data. So in this session, you can study the 8051 interfacing applications of LCD and interfacing and 7-segment display. Thank you for watching this video.